Good day, viewers. Thank you for joining us. Here we want to find the value of x, given that 9 times 10 times 11 times 12 plus 1 is equals to x squared. And from here, let's represent 9 as a. So let a be equals to 9 from here. Then we can rewrite this expression on the left in terms of a. So we now have a multiplied by 10 can be written as a plus 1. Then we have 11 as a plus 2. Then 12, a plus 2 rather. Then 12 can be written as a plus 3. Then we have plus 1, which is equals to x squared. Then from here, let's group a and a plus 3 together. So we have a multiplied by a plus 3. Then let's group a plus 1 and a plus 2 together. Then we have a plus 1 times a plus 2. Then we have plus 1, which is equals to x squared. Then from here, let's expand. When we use a to expand this, we have a squared plus 3a. Then also, when we expand this, a can multiply first. We have a times a, we have a squared. A times 2, that's plus 2a. 1 times a, that's plus a. Then 1 times 2, that's plus 2. Then we have plus 1 equals to x squared. Then, from here, we have what is here, we can add it together, 2a plus a. So we have a squared plus 3a, then times a squared plus 3a plus 2. Then we have plus 1 equals to x squared. Then we have a squared plus 3a. A squared plus 3a common here. So we can say let u be equals to a squared plus 3a. So that we can rewrite this and we have u multiplied by u plus 2, then plus 1 will be equals to x squared. So from here, let's expand with u. And we have u times u, that's u squared, then plus 2u, then we have plus 1 equals to x squared. And u squared plus 2u plus 1, we can write it in another way as u plus 1 all squared, which is equals to x squared. Then, since we say our u should be a squared plus 3a, so instead of u, we can write and say that's a squared plus 3a as u, then plus 1 all squared is equals to x squared. And from here as well, we represented our a as 9. So we can say that 9 squared now, which is 9 squared plus 3 times 9 plus 1, then all squared equals to x squared. Then 9 squared we have 81. So this is 81 plus 3 times 9. That will give us 27. Then plus 1 all squared equals to x squared. When we add this together, 81 plus 27 plus 1, that will give us 109. Then all squared equals to x squared. And we can see that here we have square, we can take the square root on both sides. And you know, square cancels square root, square cancels square root. That means x left here, we can say x is now equals to 109. And this is the value of x. And we have come to the end of this class. We say thank you for watching. Also subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. See you in the next class and bye for now.